Chia seeds trigger irreversible changes in your body, especially after 60. Never eat chia seeds like this after 60. You could be triggering changes in your body that won't ever go back. One man started adding chia to his breakfast. 60 days later, his blood pressure dropped. But so did his energy, and he had no idea why. Chia seeds might look tiny, but the impact they can have on your body after 60? Not so tiny. They'll either help you age better or backfire, messing with digestion, thinning your blood, even draining your energy. This video is not just another superfood hype video. We're getting into the actual changes chia seeds make in your body, backed by real facts. Here's the problem. Most people over 60 are eating chia seeds without understanding how they work inside an aging body. You've heard omega-3s are good for you. That's true. But after a certain age, your body becomes way more sensitive to certain nutrients. What works for a 25-year-old could work against you after 60. That includes how you digest fiber, how your blood sugar reacts, and even how your kidneys handle hydration. So if you're over 60 and just tossing chia seeds into your diet, you need to know what's really happening. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know the exact way to eat chia seeds to support your heart, joints, and metabolism, without falling into the common mistakes that could hurt your health. What chia seeds do to your body. After 61, they change how your blood behaves. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid. And while that sounds like a win for your heart, there's a catch. Omega-3s are natural blood thinners, which is great unless you're already on blood pressure or blood-thinning medication. Combine the two, your blood may become too thin. That means bruising easier, bleeding gums, slower clotting, even lightheadedness. And the scary part? Most doctors don't mention this interaction. So if you're taking aspirin, warfarin, or any blood pressure meds, check with your doctor before loading up on chia. 2. Your digestion will change. For better or worse, chia seeds are full of soluble fiber, that gel-like coating they form in water. That's mucilage, and it expands in your stomach. For some people over 60, this helps digestion move along, regular, easy, and clean. But for others, it causes bloating, cramping, and constipation, especially if they don't drink enough water. One retired nurse said she added chia to her yogurt every morning, only to end up backed up for 4 days straight. She drank just 1 glass of water. Way too little. Here's the rule. If you're over 60 and eating chia seeds, drink at least 2 full glasses of water with them. Otherwise, you're creating a traffic jam in your gut. 3. Chia seeds may crash blood sugar. After 60, if you're diabetic or pre-diabetic, listen closely. Chia seeds slow down carbohydrate absorption. That can help keep your blood sugar levels steady. But if you already take insulin or metformin, eating chia seeds can cause a double drop. Your blood sugar might fall too low, too fast. Symptoms include dizziness, shakiness, sweating, and confusion. One woman shared in a health forum that she felt spacey after a chia smoothie. Her blood sugar dropped to 60 milligrams per deciliter within an hour. That's not a joke. Solution? Eat chia seeds with carbs and protein, not by themselves. Mix them into oatmeal, yogurt, or a smoothie with banana and protein powder. Balance is key. 4. They rewire your metabolism. The healthy fats, fiber, and protein in chia can improve your metabolism over time. After 60, your metabolism naturally slows down, especially in women post-menopause. But chia seeds can gently kick it back into gear. How? They help stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and boost fullness hormones like leptin. Small daily habits create silent transformations. Chia isn't magic, but when used smartly, it can reshape how your body burns energy, even in your 60s and beyond. 5. They improve joint pain. But only. If you do this, many seniors take chia hoping to ease arthritis pain. And yes, the ALA in chia has anti-inflammatory benefits. But here's the thing. Your body has to convert ALA into EPA and DHA, the active forms of omega-3s. And that conversion process, it slows way down as you age. So if you're depending on chia seeds alone to help your joints, it might not work. You'll need either fish oil or an algae-based omega-3 supplement to actually feel relief. Chia helps, but only as part of a bigger plan. 6. They help you sleep better. Naturally, chia contains tryptophan, an amino acid that boosts melatonin and serotonin. You sleep better and feel less anxious. This is especially helpful for seniors struggling with light sleep or early waking. Have a tablespoon of chia in almond milk about an hour before bed. It's a natural, gentle sleep aid. No pills, no weird side effects. So, what happens if you eat them daily? If you eat chia seeds the right way after 60, here's what you may notice. Smoother digestion, fewer cravings, less joint stiffness, deeper sleep, balanced blood sugar, and a slow, steady metabolism boost. But if you eat them the wrong way, without enough water, without balancing your meds, or without understanding how they interact with your body, you could be causing constipation, nutrient blockages, energy crashes, or worse. Chia seeds are powerful, but power needs direction. The safe way to eat. Chia seeds. After 60. 1. Always soak them in water, at least 30 minutes. 2. Drink 2 glasses of water with them. 3. Don't eat them dry. 4. Don't eat more than 2 tablespoons a day. 5. Balance with carbs and protein. 6. If you're on meds, check interactions. 7. If you have gut issues, start small. If this helped, hit like, so more people over 60 get this info before it's too late. And if you want more real, simple health tips without the hype, subscribe. We break it down so you can live better, longer, and pain-free. You've got one body. Let's take care of it.